Hey everybody, I'm not Leanne Ely. She's taking the day off.
Yay!
Combination of Mother's Day and I'm not going to tell you until after the end of this thing because I don't want to distract you about telling her it's her birthday, but
They already know.
just figured all the comments would come in when you have a chance. Anyway, we are not big on baked goods, and so the whole idea of a birthday cake doesn't normally fit into our diet, the way we eat, but certainly want to have something to celebrate the day, and we are going to make a gluten-free almond chocolate brownie kind of a thing. And we're short on almonds as we went and ransacked the pantry and realized we didn't have any almonds, but we'll make up for it in chocolate.
Yeah.
So it all comes out in the end.
So who are you, if you're not Leanne Ely?
So you're really not taking the day off, are
Nope.
you? All right. Hi, I'm Mark.
They're already saying hi to you.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Well, what we're going to do is make a real quick, very easy almond-based chocolate brownie. And so we're going to start off with things like almond flour and cocoa,
Cacao.
cacao.
It's okay.
And the big thing about dark chocolate versus like a milk chocolate, a whole lot less sugar, a lot more health benefits too, by the way.
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay, so what we're going to do is start off with, I guess about a cup of almond flour and a quarter cup of the cacao.
Yeah.
Get your dry goods all put together.
Look at you.
About an 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, which is about the equivalent of 2 good solid pinches.
There it is.
How about that?
We got some love for the Led Zeppelin shirt.
Ah, gotta love the lid.
Gotta love the Zap. Yeah.
And then we got some baking powder, not baking soda. The difference being you already have acid in the baking powder, so you only need a liquid to activate it. How about that?
Look at you.
You didn't know that, did you? You probably knew that. Okay,
No,
so
I'm
you
not
got-
much of a baker. I don't pay attention to
Oh,
that
that's
stuff.
true. Okay. Well, they both create, they release carbon dioxide, lighten it up at the bubbles and make it leavened,
Leavened.
if you will, as a term. And just going to mix that up real quick, kind of blend it up. That takes care of your dry stuff.
There's the dry stuff. Look at that. Does it smell like cocoa?
Smells like cocoa. Cacao.
Cacao.
And then we have
The lick.
next, we're in a different bowl. We're going to go with 2 tablespoons of butter. Come on, baby. There you go. And about a 1/2 cup of sugar. Again, in our house, sugar's hard to come by. I found almost a 1/2 cup of sugar.
We don't have it. Lori's here. Say hi to your sister.
Who's here?
Lori.
Oh.
Hi, Lori.
And then I'm going to go with a whisk. And I'm going to start blending in that sugar and butter. Which would be a whole lot easier, I think, if you had a blender because it's going to get a little chunky at first, but doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Actually, explode on it. Maybe you can move in with a fork and get a little bit finer blend. And in doing that, you are then going to take that mixture and include 1 egg.
Notice he hit it on the counter and not the side of the bowl.
I hit it on the counter.
Why is that, Mark?
What's that?
Why did we hit it on the counter and not the side of the bowl?
Well, I don't want to have any escapees get into the mixture, and then I got to go dig them for them. So this
It
way-
also cracks it more evenly.
Well, how about that?
Now you know that.
Now, I know that. So now I'm blending in the egg with the sugar and the flour.
That's right.
And now it really starts to blend well. So before it was a little bit clumpy, and now you've got more of a.
Look at
Can you see
that. Yes, I can see that. Look at me and watch me get in for the close-up. There it is.
There you go. Okay. So I got the sugar blended in with the flour, and now the egg. And now I'm going to add more liquid. I think it's about a 1/4 cup of the almond milk
There you go.
and a teaspoon of vanilla. So like the salt, where you just take 2 big pinches to get a teaspoon of vanilla, it's going to require 8 times 2, which is 16 pinches. But of course, I can't do that because my fingers won't fit.
It's also liquid.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
About a teaspoon.
About a teaspoon.
And that.
There it comes. It's coming together.
You kind of gave away that joke on the whole.
Okay.
I was going to let people kind of figure out how I was going to get my fingers into the bottom of it.
I would have had customer service questions, so I'm stopping it, yes.
8 pinches of liquid, how does it work? Okay, so I think that's about it. I'm going to get this.
Go that into there.
I'm going to add this into here. You know what? I'm going to add that into here. Because then you can see it.
You can make a well, too. Do you understand that part?
I did very well in making my well.
You did well.
So I got all the liquid now mixed in with the powder. With that. And I'm going to mix that in and start, you see the batter coming together?
Yes.
Now certainly you can do this with an electric beater, and it probably will be a lot easier on you. But
You're wanting a workout.
we're lacking workouts in this.
An upper body.
Exactly right. So we're working on that. Get that all mixed in. And then you can also add in sliced almonds or chopped almonds. Again, we didn't have any. You're supposed to do a 1/4 cup of chocolate. We didn't have any chocolate chips.
A 1/4 cup. So we.
So I have too much chocolate. Bear with me.
Marcos,
No. Okay.
don't put it in there.
I can get through it fast.
I know you can't. I've seen it.
So you'd really just do about, this is obviously well over a cup. So you only want about a 1/4 cup.
Now, how about a half? Yeah, that's about
Real
right.
chocolate. Which
Chocolate.
is also a health food.
There you go. Keep going.
Well, let's see. Antioxidants in chocolate.
Yes.
It's going to help lower blood pressure.
There you go.
Helps with, those with high blood pressure. Could help potentially lower your blood pressure.
Tell me more.
I talked about the antioxidants. It's got some good minerals in it. Magnesium, zinc.
Magnesium and zinc. Yep. There's our girl Roberta. Hey, Roberta.
You probably have a lot of other friends out there too that we're not
Oh, we
saying
have
hello to.
lots.
Don't feel slighted.
Don't feel
They're
slighted.
still trying to tell me to put in half a cup or a 1/4 cup of chocolate, which doesn't give up easily, does it?
Thank you, everybody, for the birthday wishes. It's so sweet.
Get out. Chunky chocolate.
Chunky chocolate.
That'll be mine. That's my piece.
Okay.
Now we got that done. We are. I hope I don't need those anymore.
I hope not. Do you
And
have
then you take 8 by 8.
And what did you do to that pan?
So
Listen to him breathe.
be in the back seat as you are.
You hadn't.
The recipe actually calls for a cooking spray,
Oh,
which
heck no.
gagged me. So I'm old school and I rubbed it with butter. Basically want to grease it up so it doesn't stick.
Exactly.
And then pour your batter in. Remember, these are brownies, it's not a cake. So it's supposed to be, kind of short and flat and heavy by comparison to a nice and fluffy cake. And in doing this, I have minimal batters. If people like to hand them to the kids, not on this one.
Oh, I'm going to be licking that spoon. You betcha.
And then you got to basically smooth it out. Try to get it somewhat even. It doesn't really want to give it up easily, so you can't just smack it a couple of times and let it level itself.
Well, and all of us have made brownies before. They're always thick, like pancake batter.
Oh, but they didn't have chunks of chocolate like this one does.
Oh, this one's ridiculous.
I know. It's a basic food group. You gotta
It
put
is a
chocolate.
basic food
You
group-ish
can
thing.
have that. I want it all in there.
And so Marla's making cheesecake for us with
Yes.
strawberries tonight, and we've got this on the agenda.
This was going to be her birthday cake, and I was going to do some probably whipped cream and maybe a raspberry thing, because we both, as it turns out, love chocolate and raspberry as a combination.
Chocolate and raspberries is
But we're just doing this for the heck
God's
of it because
food.
you're here, and we want to share it. And then Marla's going to bring the cheesecake, and I guess that's going
and we're just going to be sick.
I have to create some sort of candle. Tell her to bring a candle,
Bring a candle.
or bring 39 of them.
Pa.
Yeah.
Yup.
29, I know.
29. I know. I'm such
Anyway,
a child.
that's not even, but I'm a guy and I don't care.
That's right.
So more or less, it's out there in the dish. Oven has been preheated to 350, except for here, because I wasn't planning on doing this. And 30, 35 minutes at 350 ought to do it. Take it out. You can do your whipped cream, you can do your ice cream, you can cut it in half and stack it for a double layer
That's a,
with whipped cream or ice cream in between.
whipped cream and raspberries is my.
All-time favorite. Can't
Oh,
miss.
handsome chef.
You
Ooh,
cannot go wrong.
someone says you're a handsome chef. Huh?
Yeah. And there it is. Very simple. Not a whole lot. There's only 2 of us, but
Yeah, well, it'll be
or
gone
it's
tonight.
all be mine anyway. So.
That's right.
Right. And there you go. And I'm going to, for the birthday girl, let her come in because I think she wants to talk to you about her son. Hello.
Hey everyone. Thank you, love.
Is she great?
So I just wanted to show everybody, well, first of all, I hope you saw my pretty roses. Mark gave me
Oh.
those for my birthday and for Mother's Day.
Two
So
first.
I happen to have one of those birthdays. That's a double whammy. So there you go. And then my son made this beautiful wood cutting board out of a solid piece of walnut. Isn't it just glorious? And I'm hoping that he's going to let me start selling these on my website because they are just, to me, exquisite works of art. So you can see how big this is. It's a good 16 inches, solid piece. It's made, he's used beeswax. It's everything's completely food grade. And this is going to be the most glorious, gorgeous charcuterie board ever. And I think Marla she's already been eyeballing it for charcuterie. She said, how big is that board? What can we put on it? So anyway, I wanted to show you that and just show you what a great talent. You know, it's so interesting. Out of this whole COVID thing, my son came up with this idea of making, of recycling skateboard decks into wooden boards, and he's done some really beautiful ones. But then he also found some wood and then has started making these. So I've got my eye on this, and I mean, I'm just so delighted. This is the first one he's made too. Can you imagine? That's talent. Anyway, it's art, and I wanted to show it to you all. And I also wanted to say thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. You guys have absolutely lit me up, and it's been a really lovely day. Thanks so much. I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. for our usual thing. Peace.